Hello YouTube, I'm Freedom from YouTube and I'm back with another video. I know you're tired making hyperlapses. Hyperlapses, taking a photo, moving forward, taking a photo, and then going and inserting it in After Effects in JPEG sequence or row sequence. That's a lot of work. You know, if you would do that, you cannot make so many hyperlapses in one day. And all you do in the day is making hyperlapses, but I'm gonna show you a trick that will make you able to make hyperlapses with your phone really easily. You know how? Stop motion. Find any stop motion app and you're ready to go, because stop motion app lets you make a video of those clips without needing to import it in sequence in other apps in computer. That's a long story. So I have one app which is called Newsmag. I don't know how to pronounce it, but this app is really great. When you take a photo, it just shows you like a shadow of the previous photo, so you have an idea where is the positioning of the previous photo. That's really great.
Okay, if you have Newsmag installed, open Newsmag and swipe up to go to the you have to swipe in a motion to go up. So and last we have the stop motion. You can go to the projects by clicking the bottom corner, and that's my my projects. So we have projects here. When you take a photo, now see, like, you have a print of the previous photo. This finishes the use of grid. So you have frames per second and export video. So that's how easy it is.
So you can make this more easier and take photos, and then go to project and save it in the frame rate you want. The highest is 10 frames per second, but that's not a problem because you can go to the computer and speed it up. Yeah, that's great. So speed it up means you get more frames in a second, and you can also stabilize it, and you're ready to go. That's hyperlapse made easier than ever. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Peace out.